There's a decent amount of blue sky filled in across the area out there this afternoon, but if you look off in the distance, any direction really, you can still see those high clouds that, again, are going to filter that sunshine a little bit as the day progresses along. So it's not going to be completely clear, but it's been enough to really bump these temperatures up here. We are seeing those temperatures into the middle to upper 40s now as we enter into the afternoon. College Park is already to 50 degrees as well as Chantilly, but I expect most of Maryland, Northern Virginia, even getting back toward the I-81 corridor to warm up all the way into those lower 50s over the next couple of hours. There's a wide look. We had a couple of batches of clouds enter in and then progress off to the east, but this main batch of clouds off to the west is still streaming in and going to make things a little bit more overcast, like I mentioned, as we go later in the day today. But despite the morning cloud cover, again, we've had some time with some sunshine, but Winchester's already clouding back up again. Martinsburg is right on the edge of those clouds, and the rest of us will be seeing them rather shortly as well here this afternoon as those clouds continue to increase, but no precipitation is going to be falling yet. We actually will be staying dry until likely Friday afternoon. Those showers will arrive, turn over to a steady rainfall, even heavy at times. As we get into Saturday morning, we could see some possible flooding in the metro areas where we had a few issues on Monday as well, and Garrett County, where all that fresh snowfall is at. If some of that melts to go along with the rainfall, could be watching for some minor issues potentially that direction as well. But after the rain moves through, we'll be reverting right back to those brisk temperatures that we had for much of the start of this week. Check it out here on Future Tracker with the clouds increasing over the next several hours. Will stay fairly cloudy all the way into the morning tomorrow. Like I mentioned, your morning commute not looking like you're going to have to be dealing with any sort of rainfall just yet, but by the lunch hour, those first few showers will be moving in, and then they start to build into that steady rainfall over the evening and getting into the overnight. Look at all of these yellows and oranges showing up here on Future Tracker, a good sign that we might have that steady to heavy rainfall around by the start of your Saturday. So here's a look at those temperatures. Again, this is part of the reason why we're going to see all rainfall as we go through the day tomorrow. We're up into the 50s today. We'll be back near 50 again tomorrow, and that sets up this storm system to just bring us rainfall. There's going to be some colder air and snow shower activity off to the north, but this will not wrap back around on the other side of that system until we get into Saturday afternoon. Then we might see a few flakes mixing in with whatever rain showers are left over. And take a look here at those rainfall totals. Again, maybe not this high, but we're going to be anywhere from 1.25 inches to 1.75 inches in many spots across the viewing area. So it's going to be a soaker late on Friday going into Saturday morning. Beyond that, it's going to be cooling back down, but we stay quiet to end the weekend and get into early next week.